DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. We're sitting at $37.50, 2.6% up for the day. Let me show you exactly when and how I would buy on DJT stock. So, simply put, like this. I mean, we're super close to it, but I wouldn't just, place random buys. I'm going to break it down for you right now. Just for context, all I'm using is my strategy that's previously delivered thousands of wins for me, and I'm telling you all this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So, Trump media and technology stock. Targeting the highs for sure, but to target something, you first need to be inside the opportunity or the trade. How am I going to take advantage? I just really want to see a movement down here and then a simple double break. That's it. If the price does not give me the rules, then I would not be forcing a trade here. That's simply it. There's nothing more that I would add to this one. I just wait it out. So if you want to learn the strategy free, check the photos link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye.